Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to remove a credit card or debit card from your Amazon account. Whether your card has expired or you simply want to update your payment method, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. At first, we have to be on the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Amazon application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon down below. Once you are in the profile interface, you have to click account. Here in the account section, you have to scroll down and select your payments. In your payment interface, as you can see, I have not linked any of my accounts, but in your case, you have linked your payment method with Amazon. For that to remove, I will guide you how to do it. At first, look at the credit or debit you wish to remove and click on it. After selecting the card, click the edit button. In the edit menu, scroll down and select remove from wallet. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click confirm remove to finalize the deletion. And that's it. The selected card has been successfully removed from your Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.